की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jela wakmi ia ketenat pule putih urakam sangma haka artarik unaitung arajar arpusan ula play ba ya ka art stream hapo ke Jirang Government Higher Secondary School kaban penmentoi hado kata-kata ya ki Khynnah Skul hapo ke tain ribhoi sepngi. Hagane gasngi Menteri ula le jurib ru ya ka Degree Model College ha patar khma bat ya ka Eklavia Residential School ha Jirang rengkat ke Jingsen ran langjong MLA ke Jirang constituency uba sustainable sotun u director ketenat pule putih uba BJ Karshandi kinong elam shnong bat kiwe.
For class 11's science, humanities, and also the people of Jirang. And all this credit goes to our honorable local MLA, Sustenance Sorton, because of his continuous effort and because of his committed leadership to serve the people, all things has been materialized. My dear friends, at the same time, I would like to bring the greetings from Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, and all the cabinet colleagues, and all the government officials and education department to all of you. It is indeed a historic day for the people of this area, and especially for the Jirang Government Higher Secondary School. And it's really amazing to see the new beginnings once again. I believe it's a long way to go. However, well begins is half done. Therefore, once again, I would like to thank our honorable local MLA and all my officials of the education department for working committedly to make this happen. I'm sure the beginning of this class 11 academic for class 11 urge and already have signs will be long to remember in the history of our journey for our family, for the state, for our community. Just now I was looking at that PA system operator, whether they are doing some magic, some manipulation or not. Because we have seen one of our son, boy, he was performing so amazingly. We have seen this talent. I was amazing. It's an original or some edited version from the P system. But look, we have seen the talent of our boys and girls. I'm sure many are happy to see such. I remember during my school time, which I personally, and few of us, our schools used to start by 10 a.m. The morning assembly started by 10 a.m., but we reached school by 9 a.m. Why? It's for the one reason, because there was one game that we can play for 1 hour in the school. There's not the basketball, not the football, but it's just a carom. One carom board was there in my school. We don't have any other. But we're inspired. We want to play. We don't have other facilities. But just to play for 1 hour before class start, we used to come by 9 a.m. to our schools. Friends, what I'm saying today is such campus education, campus schools, we must attract our students because this is your second home. I know you have faced a challenge. You cannot send your children to the far places for higher studies after class 11, after class 10. I know because of economic position, economic condition of certain families, we cannot send our children to Shillong, to Nongpo, to Govt, here and there. But today I'm happy that many parents our community leaders will be happy today to see that at the end of the day, we have seen this in your time. Under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, we have seen in last 4 or 5 years that we have seen many initiatives, be it a developmental project, be it a program, be it a different initiative under dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister and our dynamic leadership of your MLAs here and many of our cabinet colleagues. Friends, if we talk about the education, in last 4 or 5 years, Government of Meghalaya has established 21 number of newly people's college across the state. My dear friends, that 80% or 85% of the college situated only in Shillong for last 20-30 years. Therefore, there was a pressure in Shillong that all the colleges, institutions in the Shillong was struggling for the admission intake because the students from across the state, be it Nongpo, be it Zawai, be it Nongsten, be it Bakmara, Tura, everybody wants to come to Shillong for higher studies because there was the courses of their desire. But today, after the establishment of 21 new people college and establishment of all the stream in all the government college, now almost every district have all the stream in the higher education.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.